Haga khat pratarik unailor Kalumpung Reverend KV George Memorial Inter-School Football Tournament Kalapoisha Bakut Balapanyale Kai Kinjat Football Balapalong Hadon Bosco Mini Stadium Light Kra. Ular Singh Ming Sawian President Meghalaya Football Association Ulalong Kongsan Hakani Kasngi Penwai Haka Jingadon Lang Principal St. Anthony's High Secondary School Reverend Father Anthony Kharkongor. Hakajinga Kun Final Under 13 Ko OM Roy Memorial School Kalapile Make Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School The Shiko Lanot Lingba Usami Lawan Singkai Haka Kalamid Haka Minute Banril Haka Under 15 Ka Elias Memorial High Secondary School Kalapindem Savio Generate The Shiko Lanot Lingba U Revelson Rimbai Haka Minute Bakatnrio Haka Kalamid But haka under 18 part ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School kalara ikanam lado da laiko lanot lingba uteri Gordon Nongneng haka minute pasan po. Uwan pensyai langbi haka minute pasan pulai but u ebok langmi pala haka minute pasan pupra persya eka Sacred Heart Boys maulai. Shwaban sami ki khusnam shekinong job lapelong ek program belingkot haka bagi samla bat ki kena skul kila no kum ki ngap bat ki dikhiu shamadan ban ruai bat ban shots ngobha kat kum ki sap ki pong pen ki met jongki kalalong shisha ka jan met bakmen na kabenta ki kena ki belawan shekini kamadan na ki skul ki be khunni ka final hakani ka sngi.
I won't make my speech very long because this is a time for celebration and there's a champion team, many champion teams and runners-up teams here waiting to receive their various trophies. But I would like to take this opportunity first of all to congratulate St. Anthony's School for being able to organize such a wonderful tournament which is spread across different age groups. Great to see young boys from the under 13s here, under 15s and then the under 18s as I understand. And I'd like to take this opportunity to first congratulate the school as well as all the winners and runners-up today. Congratulations to each and every one of you. We were witness to a very, very exciting game between Sacred Heart Boys School and St. Anthony's. I must say I'm really happy to see the standard of football that we watched today. I can see that despite this ground not being the best of grounds, not allowing an opportunity for players to be able to hold the ball, pass as much as they want to, but I could see the level of skill that is available in display today has surely shown that the standard of football in Shillong and Meghalaya has definitely gone up compared to at least a decade back. And I think I saw Baklan somewhere here. I believe he's coaching one of the teams here. I'm sure he will have the same thing to say as I do. So great to see the level of football that you guys have shown today. I congratulate each and every one of you today for the kind of games that you all have played. And I take this opportunity also to inform you that the I-League is back in Shillong after 5 years. And in the month of October, Shillong Lajong Football Club will be playing in the I-League again after a gap of 5 years. This time there will be a difference in the team in the sense that for the first time ever, more than 75% of the players, which is amounting to 27 boys out of 36 registered players, will be local boys from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills. So this is the highest level of representation that local boys have had in the Lajong squad for the I-League. And this has happened because primarily of the fact that football at the youth level has vastly improved in Meghalaya in the last 10 years. And judging from the game that we've watched today, it shows that things are only going to look up for Meghalaya football. I take this opportunity to close by encouraging all these youngsters here who have played today, those who want to take football seriously, to remember that the platform for each and every one of you to play football professionally and to reach the highest levels of Indian football are open now. Not like 10 years or 15 years back where our local boys did not have this opportunity. You have this opportunity, but remember that the level of football in India is also growing equally fast. And if you want to be footballers of the highest level, you must also be extremely disciplined and hardworking. As you know, even in the world today, the two best players in the world are also amongst the most hardworking and most disciplined players. So it's not only about talent, hard work is equally important. Please keep that in mind, and I wish all of you all a wonderful year ahead and the best in your academic careers as well as those who are going to take up football. The best for you all in the future. Thank you very much.
From